Hi, I'm Greg. I'd like to tell you about Water's Choice Pure Enzyme. I started using it about a year ago, and it's one of my favorite products. I was always hesitant about getting a hot tub because I didn't want to go through the daily grind of testing the pH levels, adding all the chemicals. I wasn't sure if I even wanted to be inside of all those chemicals. But then my son told me about Water's Choice Pure Enzymes. you know, my monthly maintenance on my tub is now as easy as this. I simply empty a bottle into my tub. I turn on my jets, which they must know we're adding, and my tub takes care of itself. Now I do once a month take out the filter, I hose it off, soak it in a little bit of vinegar, and it's good to go. Notice I didn't say that I drain my hot tub. One of the nice things about Pure Enzymes is I don't need to drain my tub every month. In fact, it's been at least 6 months. My water is still testing very pure. It's really ready to go. The nice thing about it, just a little added bonus, I'm a real hesitant shopper. So when I first wanted to use Water's Choice Pure Enzyme, I didn't know about it. I called the company. The person that answers the phone, the gal that answers the phone, is extremely helpful. I don't think I have ever gotten the recording. She's answered all of my questions, whether it was about Water's Choice or about hot tubs. If you have any doubt, or if you're looking for a product, Water's Choice Pure Enzyme is your choice. Thank you.